No more gambling, just systematic upgrading. Find the purple line support, that's a discount, kid. Paying all your monthly bills, that's the knowledge I give.
Speaking of shitty penny stocks, this is your host, Shades from Inside the Box. Let's talk about KEEL, K-E-E-L, KEEL Infrastructure. This stock is sitting at $2.14. It has a low here at 1.8. Kind of reminds me of Rich Tech Robotics here. It's a low, yeah, it's got a low here at 1.8, and then it did come down to 1.6. So trading within a range. You guys know me. I love trading ranges when we get stuck inside a box. Again, a classic buy low, sell high, or sell on the way up, scale out, etc., etc. Again, it's penny stock, so it's much riskier compared to, say, something like Nvidia that's just been going sideways. But because it is a cheaper stock, there's more potential money to be made on the flips within the trading range. So I would say look out for a dip back to 180s. Yeah, because with these penny stocks, I guess you can chase the breakout if the breakout does happen. If it breaks out above 216, it can move to 233, right? So there's that. You can play the breakout if you want to, if it does happen on Monday. But again, I'm going to say the same thing I've been saying in all my other videos. It's really going to depend on how the whole Iran situation is going to play out. But if we just play the pattern here, just wait for 1.8. You can't really overthink it. Buy at 1.8, set a stop loss at the low of the day. If you get stopped now, you get stopped now. Boo-hoo, you take the small loss. Don't hold the bag all the way down. That's not the most important thing, is not holding the bag all the way down. Too many people make that mistake, and it's a very costly one. Because people think in their head, oh, I'm going to save myself one day, maybe it'll come up, but who knows? You never know, right? You never know. KEEL here, we zoom out. Man, the people holding a big bag at $6, they've been waiting for they're probably gonna wait a whole year hoping it comes back up. Good luck to those people. Weekly time frame, you can see trading range is much more clear. Yeah, every single time, I don't know why, but every single time this thing comes down to like 1.8, it is getting bought up, and it's just holding up here since the beginning of the year. Yeah, since the beginning of the year, it's just been holding here. So that's why this one caught my attention, because I'm like, well, yeah, the trading ranges, you know I love them. I love them. So that's it. That's the analysis for KEEL. Classic buy low, sell high. Hit that like and subscribe button for me, and I will see you in the next episode.